All right. The moment of truth.
Ooh, I got what I wanted.
What is that? What is that?
Penguin. There's a Lala Lucy Crazy here.
Is that Lala Lucy Crazy?
Yeah.
And what is that?
I don't know.
Is that a blanket?
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, those PJ pants.
No.
Those pajama pants, Drea.
No.
Uh-huh.
They're too big.
Well, you have to get them big.
Ooh, blanket.
Mm-hmm. Now you have your own.
Blanket. Yeah. Woo. I want it. You gotta have the brown one. Yay.
Let me see this one.
I like this one.
Hey, Drea, talk to Granny now. Talk to Granny.
A shirt.
Mm-hmm.
No, it looks like pajamas.
No,
More pants?
Pajama dress, Drea. You got it?
Oh, it's long sleeve. See? For when it's cold. All right. Tell Granny.
Thank you.
What else?
Merry Christmas. Have a Happy New Year.